Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, sales team need structured, data-driven engagement. Outreach is one of the most popular platforms for modern sales execution. Let's break it down. Outreach helps sales team manage emails, calls, and tasks in one system while using automation and AI to optimize outreach sequences. It gives reps clear next steps, real-time insights, and performance analytics to close deals faster. With strong CRM integrations and advanced reporting, Outreach is built for teams that want consistency, visibility, and scale. Outreach brings discipline and intelligence to the entire sales process. If you're searching for a powerful sales engagement platform in 2025, Outreach delivers structure, insights, and predictable revenue growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.